If you're looking for a sweet and simple way to cool down this summer, these lemon balm and mint cool down popsicles are just the thing. With fresh lemon balm to invite a sense of calm and mint to bring a refreshing lift, they're a fun and flavorful way to stay chill, both physically and emotionally. You'll need about a half cup of fresh lemon balm and a half cup of fresh mint. Add both of these to a heat-proof quart jar. Pour boiling water over the herbs, cover and steep for 15 to 20 minutes. Once steeped, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer, reserving the liquid and composting the herbs. Let the infusion cool to room temperature. Next, stir in the honey or maple syrup to taste. Stir until well combined. Here you could also add a splash of lime juice for some extra flavor. Pour the mixture into the base of your popsicle mold. If you'd like to make these extra pretty, go ahead and slice up a few super thin slices of lime and add those to the molds as well. Then add the stick and lid and pop them in the freezer. And for a quick safety note, remember that if you're using honey, be sure not to serve these to children under 1 year of age. We hope you enjoy these lemon balm and mint cool down pops.